How to get streaks on TikTok. Hey guys, this is Lucy, and today I'm going to show you how to get streaks on your TikTok. All you need to do is go to inbox and check if you have your friend and you talk to them regularly. If you talk to them and you send them some message or video every day to each other and you still don't see your streaks, then just go to your profile in the bottom right corner and go to the three horizontal lines. Here you need to click on here you need to click on settings and privacy. After that, go to notification in the content and display settings. Then search for streaks. As you can see, it's not turned on. Turn it on, and that's all you need to do to get streaks here. Now, make sure you and your friend, both of you, send something every day to maintain the streaks. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.